Before we wrap up the show today, Bryan and I want to share something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So I've talked about Dropbox in the past. They've been adding new features quietly. I don't know how quiet. I just haven't been paying attention. One of the things that I love is we use Dropbox to transfer video files between us and our international team. And so we'll go back and forth, and they'll edit it, and then we'll QC it. And once it's ready, we have it in a pile of videos ready to go. And usually it's at that point that the person who distributes it is often a different person than who edited it or QC'd it, right? We have different people for different things. And so one of the things that I really like about Dropbox that they've added is they've added the transcript feature. So we used to have to do it where I would upload it to YouTube. I would wait a day, and then I would look at the transcript, and I could read it. Or I would upload it to a website, rev.com, and I would wait a day, and I would get the transcript. Now with Dropbox, it does the transcript right there. And so a lot of times what I'll do is, as I'm getting ready to distribute it, I'll load up the transcript. I'll copy that transcript and paste it into ChatGPT and say, give me a caption for Instagram, give me a caption for YouTube. And usually it's about 65% of the way there. And I'll delete things, and I'll add things, and I'll move things around. But at least for a 45-second reel, not that big a deal. But when it's an hour-long video that we're posting about, I'm like, I don't know what this video is about. I'm not going to watch it so I can get the copy. It's going to take me half a day to do that. So I'll just take the transcript. We do this when we have speaking gigs. I'll just take the transcript, throw it in ChatGPT, summarize it for me, make a blog for me, give me a caption for it, give me email subject lines. And so I love the transcript feature in Dropbox. And you can also now crop videos. You can trim off the front or back. So they're adding some editing features in Dropbox. That's pretty nifty. Not the best editing tool, but better than nothing. So I'm a fan.
Nifty.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you use the word nifty, right?
Nobody uses the word nifty.
Never.
Well, actually, my daughter listens to, I think it's called
Rachel?
Mr. Nifty and Calm app
Oh, jeez.
to go to bed. I think that's who she listens to. Let me just confirm.
I mean,
Yeah, no, Mr. It's not. But there's something about Nifty in the Calm app.
nifty. People use that word.
Do they? Yeah, there's Nifty. So what is this? Nifty and the Halloween Scare. Yeah. So there is Nifty.
I mean, but you know what the word
Calm.
means, right? Like,
Just keep digging. Grab that shovel, dig a little deeper.
I'm
it's
not
fine.
wrong here. If you're watching on YouTube, please let me know I'm not alone.
That's nifty. So we actually did our leadership retreat last week, and we were out in the middle of nowhere in the desert, and we were blessed with a meteor shower that night, which was really cool. And while we were just laying out watching the meteors, I remember I had heard about this app at one point, but I never downloaded it. I decided to download it, and I paid for it because I wanted to really experience it. But this app is super freaking cool. This is one of those have more fun apps. So if you're ever out with friends and you just want to kind of impress them and learn a little bit too, like my daughter loves it, and it's called Night Sky, and you can just literally aim your phone up at the sky and it'll tell you the stars that you see, what constellations they make, or what planets it is that you're looking at. It is mind-boggling how cool it is.
You mean nifty?
It's real nifty, Bryan. They should call the app Nifty Night Sky, huh?
They should.
Yeah.
Nifty nights.
Yeah. So check it out, Night Sky. It's on iPhone and Android. You guys will get it someday. So that's what we got for you guys. Hopefully you got some value out of the content today. I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty.
And I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.